Oh my God. Bro, these is tough. These joints is tough, man. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tuning in to yet another video. I told you guys, we got some more early looks on the way just for y'all. Some of these sneakers I have been unboxing lately, I really want to get you guys' opinion, seeing what the whole sneaker community is feeling about some of these upcoming releases from Jordan brand. I know everything's not a hit. I know everything is not like a must cop, so it's always good to get some of you guys' opinions, seeing how you gauge in the sneaker, and seeing what you think it's gonna do long term. So if you guys are new to the channel right now, what I need you to do, man, hit that subscribe button for your boy, hit the notification bell as well, so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop. We so close to that 70,000 subscribers, and we get there with you guys' support super fast. If you guys, like I said, hit that subscribe button and leave a huge like on today's video. That helps put us in the algorithm, and it helps the channel grow ultimately, man, so I really do appreciate you guys. So I don't know if you guys have been sleeping on the rock, but lately I've been streaming over on Twitch almost every single night, streaming 2K, Madden, and Call of Duty. So if you guys like some gameplay, you want to, you know what I'm saying, chop it up with me real time, make sure you click that link down below, take you straight over to Twitch and give your boy a follow over there, man. All right, if you guys seen the thumbnail and you seen the title, man, we have an early pair of Air Jordan 6s. And if you guys have not skipped the video, I want you guys to just guess. What do you think these is inside of here? The box is dope. I don't know if you guys have been hearing me lately as far as Jordan with the boxes. I like when they do different stuff. Although we do not wear the box. I know we don't wear the box. Who cares about a box? But it's always dope when they do something different as far as a presentation with some of these, you know what I'm saying, general release sneakers. So here we have it, a pair of Air Jordan 6, and it's kind of like a quartered off box. You got the black over here. You have that metallic silver on this side. And hopefully Jordan brand keep it up as far as the presentation with the sneakers we've been getting from them, man. So go ahead and read the official colorway: Air Jordan 6 retro, black, metallic, silver, and black. And these joints are in the size 8.5. And if you guys read the colorway, you guys seen the box, you should already know what these is. I do not know the official release date, but I'm gonna give you guys some more details as soon as we pull these joints out. So let's get right into it, man. Just gonna flip the box open real quick. And yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hold on, man. Hold on, bro. These is tough, bro. These joints is fire, man. I don't know what people been talking about. These right here is fire, bro. Check them out. Air Jordan 6 metallic silver, man. Check these joints out. I'll call them the Chrome 6s because I did have the Chrome 6s back in the day, the low top joints. And now they gave us the highs, bro. These is fire, bro. What y'all doing? It almost gives me like a Black Cat vibe. I really do like this colorway. It's super subtle, super simple. And if it's something like that, I'm definitely gonna try to add them joints to the collection. And here you have them, the Air Jordan 6 metallic silvers, aka the chromes. You guys see these joints. Let's go and pull both of them out of the box real quick. And man, I knew, hey, when I seen these first, I said, y'all don't know how I feel about them. I said I might be passed on them because I did sell my Chrome 6 lows back in the day. But these joints is different, bro. These joints is different. It's a high top version of the Chrome 6s in my opinion. I know it's some metallic silvers, but it's pretty much the Chrome 6 in my opinion. And a lot of people have already been comparing these to, you guys already know, I don't even gotta say it, the Air Jordan 6 DMPs. You guys know we got the gold hits on the midsole of the sneaker and on the back, but these right here is the exact opposite. You got the metallic silver, aka the chromes. And I want you guys to let me know, man. Let me know right now down below in the comment section. Everybody, how are you feeling about these upcoming Air Jordan 6s? Me, myself, like I said, this is a cop. I gotta get them. They gotta come to the collection. And it's just something about, like I said, give me like a Black Cat vibe. You guys know about the Black Cats. The resale just went crazy on the 13s, on the 4s, and I forget what other Black Cats that dropped. But them joints just shot up for no reason, man. So I'm definitely gonna be eyeing these. Definitely gonna be trying to, you know what I'm saying, attain these for the collection. And like I said, I want you guys to let me know how you feel about these right now down below in the comment section. Real quick, I want to check the release date for these right here. I didn't know too much about this pair right here. I don't even know when it released, but I said, yo, I have to get these joints in the collection. I don't want to seem like I'm gassing stuff up. So check out the release date. These are supposed to drop on November the 19th. And I don't know if you guys peeped this on StockX, but if you go ahead and click on the metallic silver Air Jordan 6, you guys will see that you cannot even purchase the sneaker. Like all that up there is like blacked out. You can't even select the size. You can select the size, but you cannot see any of the resale or any of the bids for any of these Air Jordan 6 metallic silvers. I don't know what's going on. I think it has something to do with the whole raid that happened at the Nike spots up in Memphis. A lot of people was, you know what I'm saying, stealing a bunch of pairs. And so they froze the sales on the Air Jordan 6 metallic silvers. And I believe they also froze the sales on the cherry Air Jordan 11s, but let me check real quick so I can give you guys no false information. So yeah, so the Air Jordan 11 cherries you guys see behind me and these Air Jordan 6 metallic silvers, you cannot buy them on StockX. I'm gonna put a couple of screenshots. I know you can see it right here, but you cannot select the size. You can't see how much they're going for or anything like that. And I think, like I said, it all has to do with the Nike spots up in Memphis getting raided. So I guess these were a part of that, and the Air Jordan 11 cherries. I don't know what's going on. I got nothing to say about that, but you can't buy these on StockX. You can't buy them on GOAT. I did see that, but the resale value on GOAT and StockX right now for these is sitting around 250, 260 bucks. And then for the Air Jordan 11 cherries, since we brought them up in today's video, they're still going for around $350, $400. If I was you, I would not pay for these right now. I definitely think that the resale will drop a little bit more on these guys. Like I said, a lot of pairs did get stolen in that raid. But I do think it's gonna be a couple different restocks. Not a lot of people gonna be eyeing these. We should have the Air Jordan 1 Chicago's coming out. We should have the Air Jordan 7 Cardinals. And I definitely put those two sneakers over the metallic Air Jordan 6s that we do have right here. But you never know, people might go crazy over these. I do really like the colorway. I'm not gonna say it's a must cop, but if I am able to get these joints to retail, even under retail, of course, I'm definitely gonna be adding these to the collection. Like I said, I want you guys to let me know your thoughts and opinions over the Air Jordan 6 metallic silvers right now down below in the comment section. Oh, why not? Why not go ahead and grab the DMPs? You guys can see them, check them out. One of my favorite pickups. I think these dropped back in 2021, if I'm not mistaken. But I remember it released like it was yesterday. I got these a little bit early just for the vintage squad. And I said, yo, this pair hasn't released in so long. And I said, I have to jump on it. I have to get these joints when I could. And the resale on these was really, really low, which was super surprising. Just given the history of these joints right here, I thought people was gonna go crazy over them, but no, they didn't. These were even sitting in some stores in my local area. But hey, that doesn't matter to me. If I like a colorway, if I like a sneaker, I'm gonna get them joints as soon as I can, or the best way possible that I could, man. So here you have them, Air Jordan 6 DMPs. Give you a little side-by-side comparison with the Air Jordan 6 metallic silvers right there, as you guys can see, man. So I know a lot of people are already gonna say the DMPs are 100% better, but it's gonna be some people out there that actually like the Air Jordan 6 metallic silvers more than the DMPs. But hey, I'm gonna leave that all to you guys down below in the comment section. Hey man, so I appreciate everybody for tapping into today's video. Early look at the upcoming Air Jordan 6 metallic silvers. Definitely gonna be adding these to the collection. Hopefully they are some sitters, you know what I'm saying? I love them when sneakers are sitting. It's easy for me to go in there and grab them joints. Right now, I definitely feel like it's the best time to buy some of these GR sneakers. A lot of them are sitting. A lot of them are not going for a lot of money. Resales ain't worrying about them. So it's easy for people like me that are real sneakerheads that love buying sneakers, that love wearing sneakers, to go in the store and cop them joints for retail with no worries, man. Like I said, these will be released on November the 19th. I want you guys to drop all your comments, questions, anything about the metallic silvers down below in the comment section right now. I appreciate all of the support, man. Thanks for tapping in. And yeah, with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.